This single-serving crustless quiche is filled with ripe tomato slices, pesto, and plenty of cheese. It's perfect for breakfast, lunch, and even dinner. Hi, I'm Joni from OneDishKitchen.com, your #1 source for single-serving recipes. This mini quiche is easy to make and cooks in less than 30 minutes. Let me show you how we make it. Heat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat a medium-sized skillet over medium-high heat. Add a half a tablespoon of olive oil and swirl to evenly coat the pan. Add a half a cup of chopped onions, a clove of minced garlic, and an 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper to the pan. Cook by stirring occasionally until the onions are translucent, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat and set it aside. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs and 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Stir in a 1/4 cup of shredded gruyere cheese, a 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and 2 tablespoons of pesto. Next, add in the sauteed onions and garlic and set the bowl aside. Lightly grease a small baking dish. We are using a 5-inch baking dish which has a base area of 25 square inches. You can also use a 4x6 baking dish or a baking dish of similar size. Slice 1 small tomato and place the tomato slices along the bottom of the baking dish. Pour the egg mixture over the tomatoes. Place the baking dish on a baking sheet and bake for 25 to 28 minutes until the quiche is puffy and golden. And that is it.